Yo, what's good, guys? I go by the name of John Alexander. If you guys are new, you're tuned into the #1 Yeezy channel. Do yourselves a favor, smash that subscribe button. And for everybody else, welcome back. We got a brand new video. It's Saturday, it's release day. They're dropping new Yeezys, and we got a pair right here for you guys to show on the channel. So I need everybody to stay tuned for today's video. It's coming right up next. Alright, y'all, so welcome back, everybody. It's Saturday, September 14th, and they're dropping new Yeezys today. So today was the release of the Yeezy Desert Boots made by Adidas. They dropped them in 3 different colorways. So they came back again with the classic rock colorway, which is like a tan, close to like some Tims. They came with that brown oil, and then they dropped the salt colorway, which I think out of the 3, because it was a new colorway, was the most popular out of the 3. So we're gonna get into this unboxing for y'all today, but first I did want to talk about the power phases. So again, releases change. All that info is just rumors. Like most of the time they switched it up on us. They're dropping 3 different colorways in the power phases, and these power phases are going to be rather than the leather that they use, they're going to be dropping suede. So 3 different colors in the suede. They're dropping the quiet gray, the clear brown, and the simple brown. So I want to get my hands on the simple brown and the clear brown, because I feel like the quiet gray is too light. So I want to check out those 2 definitely. So hopefully we can get an unboxing on the channel for y'all for those. And still need a pair of them hospital blues, so waiting to get those for y'all. But let's go ahead and get right into this unboxing. So a lot of people are feeling these. I can't wait to see them in person. And I don't personally own any of the salts. So like for example, the Salt 500s, I don't got those. The Salt 700 V1s, I don't got those. So this would be my first pair in the salt colorway. And so the Desert Boots, they do recommend to go a half size up. So this is a 10.5, so I'm gonna try to do I'm gonna try to pick up a size 11 for the personal for myself. So what's dope about these is they did retail at $200 versus the old Yeezy boots, which I think they retailed at $295, I believe. So these are the ones made by Adidas. So I don't know if y'all can see that. Let's do this together, y'all. Ooh, these are nasty. Yeah, these are heat. So here they go, y'all. The Yeezy Desert Boot. These are in the salt colorway. Thoughts and opinions in the comments below. So we picked up the Yeezy Salt Desert Boots here on the channel, so y'all could get a first-hand look on these. So let me know y'all thoughts and opinions here in the comments below. This colorway is absolutely amazing. In the past, like I mentioned, I passed up on all the other releases in this, but it was just something about these that caught my eye. So let's get a detailed look on these. So the salt is just a real unique colorway. It's like hints of it's like gray, green, blue, kind of all mixed into one. So it's got suede material, it's got these mesh panels, and inside it does feature a Yeezy Ortholite sole. So I think you guys are going to be really pleased when you get to see these in hand. This is a great boot. So like we mentioned before, this pair is manufactured by Adidas. So I actually do have the season 7 boot behind us here. So I want to grab those real quick. Let's do a quick comparison so y'all can see. I was able to find my season 7 boots. So here's the boots. Here's the box that came with the desert boots, similar to like the Yeezy sneaker boots. And then versus this old dusty big old box right here. So this was more like a premium box from the Yeezy designer line. So now these come with individual bags and everything, like premium packaging. But here you have it. This is the season 7 boot right here. So these were not manufactured through Adidas. So as y'all see on the bottom, this says season 7, and this got the Adidas logo on the bottom. So the story behind that is by Adidas picking up production behind these boots, cut the costs, different materials, I guess probably cheaper materials, but probably better for us as a consumer, as this boot is slightly redesigned. It's a little more sleek, it's a little bit lighter. We're gonna get the 3M test for y'all, and then you got included the Ortholite sole, so probably more comfortable. I believe the sizing is still the same, so they do recommend, like we said earlier, to half size up on these things. So here's a 10.5. I'm gonna try to get my hands on an 11 before I do before I put these on feet. So maybe we'll get a how to style with these. So how many of y'all want to see a how to style on these? Let me know in the comments below. But I'm real happy about this pickup. They did drop these as well in kids and infant sizes, so really fire, really dope. And if y'all are feeling these, go ahead and pick up the I think, what are they, the rock ones? Yeah, pick up the rock, because they're gonna be this same design but in this similar colorway. Alright y'all, so we do got the desert boots right here for y'all to see on the channel. How many of y'all are feeling these? Did y'all pick these up today? These are real fire. It's just like, we've seen this model before, but this colorway is really, really dope. I love what Yeezy did here. These are tight, real tight work. So today online they dropped on Yeezy Supply. No sellout, as we would expect. These are not the sellout. Plus they dropped 3 other colorways for y'all to choose from. Now in terms of resale, these boots in the past I have resold these. These are kind of just like one of those items where there's not too many of them out there flooded on the market, but so you'll be able to sell them, but it'll take a long time to sell them. You just got to find the right seller, and you can make money off these things right here. So I'm feeling these. How many of y'all picked these up today? And I'm also curious to see how long they'll keep them on the website, because the last few releases have sold out like within a few hours. So I'm curious to see how long these will sit on the website for. Alright, so shout out to everybody that stuck through to the end of the video. Again, we're growing up on the channel, so we're going to be doing that giveaway at 5K real soon for the Calabasas track pants. Either it's going to be in the mink pair or the umber pair, so leave the comments down below. Do y'all want me to give away a pair of the umber or the mink Calabasas track pants? So go ahead and subscribe, follow me on IG. Shout out to everybody that's been supporting. Leave a comment and a like on this video. And if y'all ain't already subscribed, do yourselves a favor, hit that subscribe button like I always say, guys, and also hit that notification. So here's one more look at the Salt Desert boot for y'all. Which color did y'all pick up today? And are you guys picking up the power phases? I do want to try to get all 3 colors, but definitely the clear brown are probably my favorite out of the 3. So I'm definitely going to be picking those ones up. And major alert, y'all, I did get a pair of the Yeezy Crocs. No, I'm just playing. But I'm trying to get those hospital blues for y'all, so hopefully that'll be the next early look that we got for y'all. So thanks everybody for watching. I go by the name of John Alexander. Y'all be blessed, and I'm out.